Whether you're a small business with no logistics resources, and the characteristics of your products make general delivery platforms unsuitable, or you're a company or delivery service with limited means, spending too much time organizing delivery rounds, PasseParToo is a web-based tool, requiring no installation and free to test, that lets you optimize your delivery rounds in record time. The tool is designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind. I'm Hakeem Mabed, an expert in operational research and the creator of PasseParToo. In a few minutes, I'll show you the full potential of the tool. To use PasseParToo, just access to the link, passepartoo.optimicius.fr on your favorite browser. Then log in using your Google account or register with your email account, then validate the received message. One way to create a delivery instance is the interactive mode. You first need to set the positions of one or several depots by a simple click on its location or by indicating its postal address. Once the depot set, the user can add the set of transportation vehicles and clients in any order. In the following example, we start by creating a vehicle. The starting position can be indicated by the click position or by the entered address. If the vehicles are located at the depots, the user should click on the same position or indicate the same address. Other transportation vehicles can be added by the same way. The user can then indicate the vehicle settings by clicking on it. The vehicle configuration includes its weight and volume capacity, its unavailable days, and its pricing characteristics such as the cost per kilometer, per kilogram, the starting cost, and the driving cost and threshold for 1 or 2 drivers. Now we create the clients. To add an order for a client, just click on it, then enter the characteristics of the ordered item and delivery constraints. Once the transportation vehicles and the orders are entered, the user can run the delivery plan optimization engine. The time duration should be proportional to the problem size and to the required quality. After the end of the optimization processes, the user can visualize the delivery plan by selecting a day. There are 2 displaying modes of the delivery path: direct lines or roads. Both the delivery instance and the delivery plan can be stored either as a JSON file in the local storage of the browser or as an Excel file under the Downloads folder. The instance can be later uploaded as follows. Let's now upload a bigger instance with 100 clients spread over the northeast of France. Let's now solve this instance. One of the advantages of PasseParToo is the possibility of validating some parts of the plan while discarding some other parts, which allows to validate the delivery plan progressively. For example, at Wednesday, the dark brown tour is too long. The transport driver may reject the order number 5. To do so, just right-click on the line between the previous order 4 and the rejected order 5 and discard it. However, the transport company agrees this tour and want to validate it. So click on the right button on the vehicle and select Confirm. At the same time, we assume that the vehicle expected to perform the dark blue tour is unavailable this day because it contracted another engagement. So we need to discard this vehicle for this Wednesday. For that, right-click on the associated vehicle and choose Discard. We can now re-optimize the delivery plan. The tours that are not yet validated nor discarded may be changed. However, all the confirmed tours are kept, while discarded vehicles are avoided. The delivery instance cannot be changed by adding new vehicles or orders while there is a computed delivery plan. You have to ignore the computed plan before trying to modify the instance. The delivery instance and the delivery plan can now be saved. Hope you are now convinced by PasseParToo. If you need more credits, just email us at hmabbed_gmail.com. Thanks for watching.